In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to build a keyword list for my store, theneutralist.com. I'll show you how I'll do this on my screen. First, let's install Keywords Everywhere. Since I'm using the Chrome browser, I'm going to install it for Chrome. Click Add to Chrome. Before you can use Keywords Everywhere, you'll need to get a verification code sent to your email. This is called an API key. Okay, here I am in my email. I'm going to click the link and copy the code. Okay, now that I've added the API key, we're ready to go. I've already brainstormed a few keyword ideas for theneutralist.com. Because we sell eco-friendly phone cases, the keywords that I've come up with are iPhone cases, wooden phone case, coffee phone case, eco-friendly, and sustainable fashion. I'm going to start putting these into Google to see the searches related to and check the monthly search volume with Keywords Everywhere. Okay, I'm going to start with the keyword iPhone cases. Keywords Everywhere is already starting to populate the monthly search volume for each of the keywords here. I can already see some really interesting keyword ideas. For example, best iPhone cases and cool iPhone cases. These would probably make good blog posts. I'm going to add them to my list. Okay. I'm also going to add the monthly search volume. And while I'm at it, I'll add the monthly search volume for my first keyword, iPhone cases. You can see it right at the top underneath the search bar. Next, I'm going to go through the same process for my next 4 keywords, typing them into Google, seeing the monthly search volume, and seeing the related keywords that come up. Let's go through a few of the keywords and talk about where they might be useful. One really interesting thing that I learned is eco-friendly phone cases get searched a lot more often than recyclable phone cases, almost twice as often. I'm going to take this into consideration when I'm optimizing my website. Another thing I found is some really interesting blog post ideas. Since I don't think any products are called cool iPhone cases, this is more likely to work as some kind of list post, rounding up some of my favorite cool iPhone cases. Your list might look a lot bigger than this. That's great. When you're trying to sort through a lot of keyword ideas, one thing I find useful is to sort them by the monthly search volume. That way you can see the keywords with the biggest opportunity, highest monthly search volume, first, and then you can scroll down your list from there. However, don't forget about search intent. If a keyword is very broad or not related to your business, it might not be worth focusing on. One example here is iPhone cases. I'm going to make sure to integrate that keyword into my website because it's highly relevant and it has a very high monthly search volume. However, since it's so broad, I expect it to be very competitive, and I know that I might not be able to rank for it right away. Once you've decided on your keywords, head to the next module to learn how to optimize your Shopify store with on-site SEO.